Everything might look dead in the winter, but actually it's in something called dormancy. Dormancy is nature's survival mode. When the temperatures drop and the daylight fades, plants will stop growing and the insects burrow underground. Amphibians slow their heart rate, and the trees will pull the nutrients into their roots. It might look like death, but dormancy lets plants conserve their energy and survive conditions that would otherwise kill them. Come spring, all of that stored energy explodes into new growth. What aspects of your life go dormant in the winter? Comment below.